Hey guys, buenos dias. Hope everybody's well. I'm going to show you guys how to get on to Google Meet so I can be available for you during this hiatus. So here we go. You're going to go into your email and you are going to see your regular email tab. And on this left-hand side where you see inbox, you're going to see your name right here. Then you're going to see, hopefully, because I've invited you, either invitation from me to join, which you can click join, or you'll see the class itself. If you click on that, it pops up and this little window pops up and we have several choices. We can type in things right here, right? Hola, profe. Okay. And I would see that in mine. Boom, I get a message from you. This is nice because I can keep up with you during the day. If you have a quick question, this is the best way. It's better than email. I'm during normal school hours. I'm keeping my Chromebook open. I might have to run around and do other things, but I'll come back and I'll see that, and then I'll be able to respond really quickly. Likewise, you can send me, if we're on your things, you can add anybody you want right here. You can start a new private conversation with just me if you wanted by typing in my name, even though it shows up right there. Right? Boom. And you can have a private conversation with just me. Likewise, you can video call just me. And I can video call just you. Or we can start a group chat with everybody. All I have to do on my side is I go in here to our group, and I can have all my groups open, which I would do during the day. Right? But in this case, I'm going to have just this one, and I can go ahead and video call every single one of you right here by clicking video, which I'm about to do at 9 o'clock for my, for not for that group, for this group right here. I will be videoing you. And when I do that, you should see an invitation and be able to accept it. Anyway, that's how we use Google Meet or Google Hangouts inside of the Gmail suite. If you have any questions, please let me know. But again, the easiest way to do that is through this function right here on this side. You're going to add me, or you're going to join the already going conversation for the class, which is really my preference. It makes it easier for me to stay in touch with everybody. All right. Take care. Bye. Adios, chicos.